here comes Kitty.
Hi, kitty cat.
Hello, dog. Hello, bird.
Why are you wearing a bunny suit?
Bunnies are trending right now on Google+.
I have no idea what you just said.
Hey, cat. Why are you looking so smug?
You didn't eat any canaries, did you?
Bird. You know I prefer fish.
So, why are you looking so happy?
Well, I just had the best pet sitter ever.
Oh,
Woof.
Yep. And my human, of course, doesn't even realize I put the idea in her head.
Cat, you are so good with humans.
Yeah. Maybe you can get my human to stop dressing me in these stupid outfits.